Alrighty. What's up, guys? Welcome back to another Everything's Regular video. Man, it is gonna be a pretty cool little easy day. We gotta go put our stock wheels back on our truck because we got rubbing. You guys know that from like 4 videos now. So I know you guys are tired of seeing it and I'm tired of dealing with it. So I'm about to take those wheels off right there, put my stocks on. Now I mentioned in the last video, I was thinking about selling this truck and just grabbing a new one. So I'm thinking about just keeping those rims for the new truck because they are that newer bolt pattern. So I wouldn't have to get adapters or spacers or anything like that. I'm thinking I can just save that for those. Throw those stock wheels back on there, the 35s that we have. We'll just store them until we can either sell them or get the new truck and then try to figure out to mount them up on there. Cause I don't wanna go too hard on this truck when I already know I'm probably gonna get a newer one anyway. So we cleaned up this garage a little bit last night, got everything a little bit more organized. So we have that much more room. As for today, I gotta go take these handlebars to BBV to go get put on the blue bike. So we can do that. And then one of my supporters, one of you guys mentioned that I should put this back in the bed and sell it like that, which I'm pretty much gonna do. So I'm gonna do all that, then do that when I get back. So let's get it going, man. Alrighty, man, as much as y'all don't like the auto mall, man, it is what it is. We went to a Discount Tires. They was like, yeah, bro, we can't even put these tires on there because they got a little bit of cracks on them. And I'm like, dude, just switch the damn tires. So this will probably be the last time we see these wheels on this truck. We're gonna be pulling these off and saving these for the next truck. Or if we get a bite and sell them, hey, we might just I don't know. I don't want to put nothing up in the air, but we'll see what happens, man. Let's just get this thing back stock and turn an A1 because I can't deal no more. It's back to looking like a basic old truck. I'm definitely about to go spray paint these wheels black though, along with this like little middle of the hub thing. But at least we can drive it and actually get some work done in this work truck, man. You know, it's cool to be looking cool, but it's even better to be able to do what you need to do when you need to do it and how you need to get it done, man. So got everything loaded up, man. Let's dip. Talk about a smoother ride, huh? This thing is way smoother than it was before. That's crazy. Alrighty, just now pulling up some motherfucking BBV and look at the homie. What the fuck is you doing up here, man? This nigga said my mom worked here. Alrighty, guys, now that we dropped them bars off at BBV, man, we can go start to get this thing cleaned up. We're about to just go vacuum out the inside and stuff real quick, find some spray paint, and then wash it. So let's get it. Man, y'all know I couldn't take the vet through the car wash in like so long, man. So I forgot we can literally just take the truck through the car wash. I don't even gotta go do the brushes or none of that stuff and pay extra. I already got a membership here that I ain't used in like 2 months. So we just went through the car wash, man. This thing is looking that much cleaner. About to throw some Armor All on these tires. Get this stuff cleaned up, all blacked out, the center and everything. So y'all see all this brown stuff on the hub is just gotta go. So we're gonna get this thing looking nice. The tint on this thing looks really good. So we'll see what happens, man. I just wish these wheels would stick out a little bit more to match up with this flare, but you know, it is what it is, man. It's all good, but we're just gonna vacuum this thing out and get on our way. I had to pull up to AutoZone real quick and get this free $10 for this battery. Alrighty, we got our paint, we got our core charge. Now it's time to get these wheels and everything under this Joan black, and after that we'll just armor all it up and then go take some decent pictures, man, and get this thing ready for sale, man. I'm ready for the new one. Alrighty, guys, we done made it back to the house. Actually, about to take them wheels out the truck, but we're gonna put that back in there after we get everything out, because I know that's gonna help it sell a little bit faster, and we might be able to get exactly what we want for it if they see like it's a real work truck. So we're gonna take this stuff out and get it situated. Alrighty, guys, we have pretty much got the first coat over it. It's actually looking a lot better than I expected. A lot better. I'm digging that black way more than that like grayish slash chrome look. But I guess we finished just in time because she about to make me move, so let me see. Alrighty, man, I'm not gonna even hold y'all. This black on these wheels, I think this was probably the best upgrade I did yet, honestly. That black just flow a lot better. Make it all flow. We got the tool chest back there. Got them glossed up, looking good. Now we just need some armor all and we should be good to go, dog. So I like it, man. What y'all think about it? Let me know in the comments below. It ain't the rims, but they ain't revving, so that's a plus. And just like that, we got this thing armor-alled up. Looking all good and shined up, man. Looking real good, dog. It's time to go, I actually should spray paint them white letters over there black. And these white letters up here black. I think I'm gonna do that, but we'll see. Alrighty, guys, and we just made it to the dirt to get some decent pictures, some decent for sale pictures rather. And this thing is looking really, really good in this dirt. On these black wheels, it just looks that much better. So I think we got what we're looking for. But on the way up here, man, this guy, I guess he stays over here, and this is like pretty much remote. It's not too many people that stay over here, and dude has like literally a sick ass truck collection, man. I gotta show you guys. Now, I don't know when the last time I got gas, so man, let's hope we don't run out of gas before we get back. But man, y'all gotta see this truck collection though. Got the Ram 350, same color as that truck. That thing is badass. Look at this thing though. Oh my God. That thing is killing. Got the nice little Tonka truck. Never even seen one of them before. That thing is crazy. Wow. Look, dude got like every color truck, satin. I don't know what kind of truck that is, but it's lifted up on wheels. Got the honcho. That thing is nice. Then look at this big daddy. Ford 800. Wow. That thing is really, really nice and clean. I like that one. That little truck is nice. Look at this old daddy. He got some nice trucks, man. That's parked on the outside. So just imagine what bro got on the inside. That's crazy. Man, y'all know I had to get the vet clean, man. I know y'all gonna roast me in the comments about how I washed the vet, this, that, and etc. So I decided I'm gonna just give you the after effect. Love how this thing usually shine up. Look at that thing. Looking like the Batmobile or something, dog. But yeah, man, y'all see what's going on. Big Batmobile. I I'm digging it, man. What y'all think about it, dog? I just love how this thing clean up. Ooh, all them body lines. Made me looking great. So, alrighty guys, that's probably gonna be a wrap for today's video, man. If you haven't already, please like, comment, and subscribe, man. We got the garage pretty much cleaned up. We got the workbench back in the truck. We got the wheels back on the truck. We got the aftermarket rims over there. We got the 35s over there. We're gonna try to sell the 35s. We're gonna post those wheels up for sale. Hey, if we can't sell them, we'll just keep them for the next truck. So you guys already know how that's gonna go, man. But without further ado, if you haven't already, please like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll catch you guys on the next one, dog. Peace.